Hello friends, hope you all well. So my viewers, please subscribe my channel because I want to show you in this video how you earn money. Yeah, how you earn real money without a single penny invest and earn money via internet. So let's show the video and you can earn. So let's start the video. Today I introduce about how to make money. So let's start the video. Home Internet Marketing Best Online Earning Apps in Pakistan in 2022. Best Online Earning Apps How to Make Money. Online earning apps are basically a way to earn money from internet sources. This incorporates possessing a site, beginning an online business, or pick up other web based procedure alternatives that are accessible on the internet. We can better define online earning as earning made using various sources of the internet. Recent pays you have to pay. Best online trading platforms in Pakistan in 2022. Think remembers before choosing a carpet cleaning company, home based jobs, females, Pakistan in 2022. Online teaching jobs from home in Pakistan, IT, information technology jobs in Pakistan, top 10 money earning app without investment. Here is online earn online how. So the web search has likewise made earnings money simple. You can acquire through the site publishing content to a blog, outsourcing information passage, occupations, and alternate ways. Yet, do you know the absolute most north way processing applications in Pakistan that give you cash on shopping, finishing reviews, messing around watching recordings, and significantly more? Did you want know about the best online work at home in Pakistan without investment? Then must read this one. Best online work at home in Pakistan without investment. Top 10 apps to earn money in Pakistan. Earn money. Upwork, Fiverr, Savior, Zackerme, make money online for free. Earn money online 2020. Spin and win free cash. Daraz Games, Jeeto Paisa, Boom Park, Learn to Earn, Google Opinion Rewards, Opinion app, Jiaba, Quick Links. Let's know which these apps are. Short note video about best online earning apps in Pakistan. Best online earning apps in Pakistan. Here is the app in Pakistan, how to use it. Upwork online earning app. Upwork, formerly known as Odesk, is a freelancing app that is most using and popular in Pakistan. It helps you to learn and earn money online in the comfort of your home. Whether you are a student, working housewife, working professional, or an older adult, you can get access to various jobs in your niche. You can also withdraw payments from your local banks with a single click. It is one of the greatest procedure application in Pakistan which has associated managers and consultants from everywhere in the world on one stage. Fiverr. Fiverr is a top online earning in Pakistan. Fiverr Upwork is similarly a revaluating application like Fiverr and one of the speediest creating web gaining destinations in Pakistan. If you are a student and struggling to make both ends meet, you can create user-friendly program on a one platform and earn money online. First, you will need to build a strong profile and gig, then send an offer on a job you are interested in performing. Once your gig start working, so will your money making journey. Did you want to know about the best freelancing website in Palestine? That must read this. Okay, save your best earn money. Savior. Savior is another platform. Have you ever thought of an app that will give you cashback for online shopping? No. Try to save it as an online shopping, best online shopping website app that has everything on its portal with amazing deals and discounts. From restaurants to daily wear items to groceries, it makes online shopping cheaper and faster for us. And the best part is the more you can make purchases from the app, that more cashback money will be credited to your account. And you can withdraw it whenever you want, isn't this is a great app? I know it's a very good app for making money online. So I think it's the best apps and best websites to earn money. So please subscribe my channel. Here I introduce and told you about the greatest apps for best online earning app. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.